Morning students, Business Max. Today topic is transition probability matrices. The matrix is of the form P11, P12, P1n, Pn1, Pn2, Pnn is called transition probability matrix. Transition probability matrix. A matrix is of the form. This is a square matrix. P11, P12 and so on to P1n and so on. Pn1 last row, Pn2 and so on to Pnn is of the form we call as transition probability. Now EX number 1.3, sum number 1. The subscription department of magazine sends out a letter to a large mailing list inviting subscription for the message some of the people receiving this letter already subscribe the magazine while others do not from the mailing list. 45% of those who already subscribe will subscribe again, while 30% of those who do not now subscribe will subscribe. On the last letter, it was found that 40% of those receiving it order a subscription. What percent of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription? It's a question. First, the given matters underline, then easily solve the problem. Then we can easily solve the problem. First, the mailing list 45% and 30%. Next, subscribe on the last letter. It was found that 40% of those. These are the given information. Now, first we have to take let A. We have to take A and B are the two subscribers. So, let capital A subscribes. The percentage of subscribers. Let A be represent the subscribers, or A here represents the subscribers, and let B represents the percentage of non-subscribers. Non-subscribers. By the given instruction, the transition probability matrix. The transition probability matrix. The transition probability matrix is T is equal to 45, 55, 30, 70. 45, 30 is first case, 55, 70 is second case. Here A, B, row wise, column wise AB. Now, by the given data, A is equal to 40%. 40% means 0.40. B is equal to 60 percentage means 0.60. Now the 40 percentage 0.40, 0.60 into the transition table, transition matrix 45, 55, 30, 70. This is a 1 cross 2 matrix, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. 1 cross 2, 2 cross 2. So we get 1 cross 2 matrix is equal to 0.40 into 45 plus 0.60 into 30. Next 0.40 into 55 plus 0.60 into 70 is equal to 0.18 plus 0.18, 0.22 plus 0.42 is equal to 0.36, 0.64. So therefore A is 36 percentage. A, this is B. Question is, of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription. So 36, A is 36. So 36 percentage of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription. To order a subscription. And just gone into operation in Chennai. This is Chennai. Of those who use the transit system of this year is 30% will switch over to using the metro train, ordinary system, then metro train next year. Metro train next year, and 70% within continuous to use the transit system. Transit system first year 70%, the next year adding 30%. So of those who use the metro train this year 70% will continue to use the metro train next year, and 30% will switch over the transit system. Suppose the population of Chennai city remains the constant and 60% of continuous 60% of commuters the transit system and 40% of the commuters using the metro train system of the next year. Question number 1 is, what percentage of commuters will becoming the transit system after the next year? Question number 2, what percentage of commuters will be using the transit system in the long run? Long run means metro system. Okay. First, underline the percentage. The system of this year is 30, then remaining is 70. Next, the system is next year 70, then train of the next commuters is 30%. This is second one. Adding these two 100, adding these two 100, equilibrium. Next, the question is Thus, Chennai city remains constant. The population is constant. Then 60% of commuters use the transit system. Remaining using the metro train system. Okay. Now we are going to take the given instruction. Percentage 40%. The question is number 1. What percentage of commuters will becoming the transit system after the next year? First question. Second, what percent of commuters will using the transit system in the long run? Long run means the commuters going along the metro train. Okay, using the metro train. Now let A represents the percentage of people using the transit system. The transit system. Next, let capital B represents the percentage of people using the metro train system. Transition probability by the given instruction. Transition probability matrix T is equal to AB two cross two matrix A B. First 70% of A, therefore 0.70, B 0.30, 0.30, 0.70. By the given data, A is equal to 60%. This means 0.60. B is equal to 40% is given. 40% is given. Therefore 0.40. Therefore 0.60, 0.40 into the transition table 0.70, 0.30, 0.30, 0.70 is equal to 0.60. This is A, B, A, B, A of B of. Okay. Now this is 1 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Answer becomes 1 cross 2 matrix. So 0.60 into 0.70 plus 0.60 into 0.30. Next 0.60 into 0.30 plus 0.40 into 0.70. This is 1 cross 2 matrix. Product gives 0.42 plus 0.12. Here 0.18 plus 0.28 is equal to 0.54, 0.46. This is A, this is B. The percentage of percentage of first question. Commuters will becoming the transit system into the transit system after the next year, after the next year is percentage 54%. Next, the percentage of commuters will becoming the transit system will becoming the part 2 will becoming the transit system first is 54, then B is becoming the transit system after the next year in B. B is the percentage 0.46 46% or 0.46. 0.46 is correct. In terms of percentage, 46%. Okay, subdivision number 2. The given problem equilibrium. Since the given problem 60 plus 40 is 100. Since the given problem is equilibrium, therefore AB of transition matrix is equal to AB. In this case, A plus B is equal to IR1. 1 means 1 0. Suppose 2 cross 2 matrix is given, then 1 0 0 1. Suppose 1 cross 1 matrix is given, answer is 1. Okay. Now AB 0.7, 0.3, 0.3, 0.7, 70 means 7. Okay, is equal to AB. Next line 7 or 70. This is 1 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Product gives 1 cross 2 matrix. So 0.70A plus A plus 0.30 into B is equal to first, then 0.30A plus 0.70B is equal to AB. 1 cross 2 matrix, 1 cross 2 matrix. So first is equal to first. 0.70A plus 0.30B is equal to A. Number this as 1. 0.30A plus 0.70B is equal to B. Number this as 2. Take equation number 1. 0.70A plus 0.30B is equal to A. But A plus B is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1 minus A. 0.70A plus 0.30 into 1 minus A is equal to A. Next, 0.70A plus 0.30 minus 0.30a is equal to a. So collect a, we have 0.70, 0.40, 0.40, 0.30 is equal to a minus a means 1a minus 0.70 minus 0.30 is 0.40, 0.40 is equal to 0a. A is common, 1 minus is 0.40 is equal to a into 0.60. Now left hand side is 0.30. So a is equal to 0.30 divided by 0.60 means 1 by 2 is equal to 0.50. 0.50. Now 0.50 is a. Therefore a is equal to 0.50 box. We know that b is equal to 1 minus a is equal to 1 minus 0.50 is equal to 0.50. b is 0.50. a is equal to 0.50, b is equal to 0.50. Therefore the percentage of a and b are equilibrium. The percentage of a and b are equilibrium. In this case, what percentage of commuters will become the transit system of long run? Long run, a is equal to b is equal to 50%, 50%. So equilibrium case. 50% are in the market. So a and b are in the market. Their present market shares are 15% for A and 85% for B of those who bought capital A the previous year. 65% of continue to be buy it again, while 35% switch order to B of those who the number B of the previous year. So number B of the previous year, 55% buy it again and 45 switch over to capital A. Find their market shares after 1 year and when in the equilibrium reached. This is question. First the given instruction 50%, 85%, 65%, 35%. In this case adding 100, so it is equilibrium. Now 45% switch over to A, B is 55%. So in this case this also adding 100. So all are equilibrium, but proof is using the transportation matrix. Let capital A represents the percent of the people, those who bought soap A. Let capital B represents the percent of the people, those who bought soap B. The transition probability matrix is by the given instruction, the transition probability matrix T is first 15%, 85, 15, then 35, 65, and then 45, 50. So take 65, 35, 45, 55. 2 cross 2 matrix A, B, capital A, capital B. First 65 means 0.65, 35% means 0.35. Next 0.45, 45%, 0.55, 55%. By the given data, A is equal to 15%, C equal to 0.15, first 0.15, then B is equal to 85%, C equal to 0.85. Now the probability after 1 year, percentage after 1 year is after 1 year is 0.15, 0.85 into transportation matrix 0.65, 0.35, 0.45, 0.55 is equal to 0.15 into 0.65 plus 0.85 into 0.45, next 0.15 into 0.35 plus 0.85 into 0.55, 0.55. Next line, the product gives 0.0975 plus 0.3825, 1535, 0.0525 plus 0.4675, 0.52. Now market share after 1 year is after 1 year is 48% and 52%. Next, AB of transportation matrix or transition matrix T is equal to AB. AB into 2 cross 2 matrix 0.65, 0.35, 0.45, 0.55 is equal to AB. 1 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix, 1 cross 2 matrix. So first product X is left hand side. Why 1 cross 2 into 2 cross 2 gives 1 cross 2 matrix. So 0.65 A plus 0.45 B is equal to 0.35 A plus 0.55 B is equal to AB. Now 1 cross 2 matrix, 1 cross 2 matrix. First is equal to first, second is equal to B. Therefore 0.65A plus 0.4513 is equal to A. 0.45 B is equal to A. Number is as 1. Next 0.35 A plus 0.55 B is equal to B. Equation number 2. Take equation number 1, 0.65 A plus 0.45 B is equal to capital A. But B is 1 minus A. 0.65 A plus 0.45 into 1 minus A is equal to capital A. 0.65 A plus 0.45 minus 0.45 A is equal to capital A. Next 0.65 minus 0.45, so 0.20 A plus 0.45 is equal to A. Now 0.45 is equal to A means 1A minus 0.20 A is equal to A into 1 minus 0.20 is equal to A into 0.80. 0.80. Now 0.80. Therefore A is equal to 0.80. Okay. Now capital A is equal to 0.45 divided by 0.80 is equal to 45. Multiply numerator and denominator by 100. 45 divided by 80. Now 9 5s are 45. 16 5s are. So 0.5625. This means A is equal to 56.25%, but B is 1 minus A. 1 minus 0.5625 is equal to 0.4375. 0.4375. This means 43.75% equal. When A is equal to 56.25% and B is equal to 43.75%. A and B currently share the market with the shares 50% and 50%. It is equilibrium respectively. Each week some brand switching takes place. Of those who bought capital A the previous week, 60% buy again, whereas 40% switch over to the commodity B. Of those who bought capital B the previous week, 80% buy it again, whereas 20% switch over to capital A. Find the shares of the 1 week after again 1 week, that is 2 weeks, totally 2 weeks. If the price are continuous, when is the equilibrium is reached? Already given 50% means a equilibrium. By the given section, the transition probability matrices. The transition probability matrix. Matrix T is A, B, 2x2 matrix. 0. First A is 60%, B is 40%. So 0.66, 40% means 0.4. A, B, 60, 40. Next 0.2 in A, 0.8 in B. So switch over. A is 20, so 0.2. A is 80, 0.8. By the given data, 50%. By the given data, A is equal to 50%, is equal to 0.5. B is equal to 50%, so 0.5. It is equilibrium. After share is 0.5 A, 0.5 B into the given transition matrix 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.8 is equal to 0.5 into 0.6 plus 0.5 into 0.2, next 0.5 into 0.4 plus 0.5 into 0.8 is equal to 3010, 0.30 plus 0.10, 0.20 plus 0.40, no, 8 is 64, 0.40, 0.40. Adding these two, 0.40, adding these two, 0.60. After search is equal to is 40%, so 0.40, next 0.60 into transportation matrix 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.8 is equal to 0.4 into 0.6 plus 0.6 into 0.2, next 0.4 into 0.4 plus 0.6 into 0.8 is equal to 0.24 plus 0.12, 0.16 plus 0.48 is equal to 0.36, 0.64. In this case, after 2 weeks, A is 36 percentage, B is 64 percentage. 4 problems are finished. The continuous, when it is equilibrium reached. The second part of the question is when it is equilibrium reached. So an equilibrium AB transportation matrix or transition matrix equal to AB. AB is AB. Transportation matrix or transition matrix is 0.6 m, 0.4 m, 0.2, 0.8 m is equal to AB. This is 1 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Product gives 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2 is equal to 1 cross 2. So 0.6 into A plus 0.2 B. Next 0.4 A plus 0.8 B is equal to AB. 0.6 A, 0.6 A plus 0.2 B is equal to first capital A. Number this as 1. Next 0.2 B plus 4B, 0.4 B, 0.4 A plus 0.8 B is equal to capital B. Number is as 2. Take any one equation. Take equation number 1. We have 0.6 A plus 0.2 B is equal to A, but B is 1 minus A. 0.6 A plus 0.2 into 1 minus A is equal to capital A. 0.6 A plus 0.2 minus 0.2 A is equal to capital. Now 0.6 minus 0.2 is 0.4 A plus 0.2 is equal to capital A. Is equal to A minus 0.4 is equal to 0.8. A is common, 1 minus 0.4. A into 0.6. A is equal to 0.2 divided by 0.6 is equal to 2 divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.33. This means 33%. But B is equal to 1 minus A. 1 minus 0.33 is equal to 1 minus 67. 0.67. This means 67%. Equilibrium reached. When capital A is equal to 33% and capital B is equal to 67%. A new transit system has just gone into operation in a city. Of those who use the transit system this year. Full stop. 10% will switch over to using their own car. Next year, their own car next year. And 90% will continue to use the transit system. Of those who use their cars next year. And 20% will switch over to the transit system. Suppose the population of the city remains constant, and that 50% of the commuters use the transit system. and 50% of the commuters use their own car this year. Full stop. Question number 1. What percent of the commuters will be using the transit system after 1 year? Question number 2. What percent of commuters will be using the transit system in the long run? Only one homework problem. Try to get the correct answer. Send the message. Any doubt? Ask the question. Thank you, students.